Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'll be doing an unboxing and setup on the OWN Groove Bluetooth wireless earphones. Let's get it started. Okay, so the OWN Grooves Bluetooth wireless earphones. I seen these, had to pick these up and try them out. Now, these remind me a lot of the Blackweb wireless earbuds, earphones, whatever you want to call it, that I unboxed some time back. I'll leave a card up above or a link down below in the description to that video if you want to watch that. These here cost $39.88 at Walmart. They do come in two different colors, and I have both colors here. They come in a black and they come in a color called aqua. Now, I will not be unboxing these. These here I ordered for somebody else, but I wanted to just show y'all how these actually look, so you can choose between the black or this aqua color here that it does come in. So we'll go ahead and put this off to the side. Now we'll get back to these. Now it is IPX5 waterproof, which I'll get into here in just a moment. But opening the flap up here, it has your first time setup. So it says place earphones in the charging case for initial activation into fully charge. Step 2, remove earphones from case. Pairing mode is automatically initiated and connect to your device through Bluetooth wireless technology. Search for the entry ONN TWS Sport in-ear on your device. So yeah, there we go. On the back here, show some other specs, up to 20 hours of playtime. Now that's not continuous playtime. I'll explain that here in a second. Bluetooth technology streams audio from all your devices, up to 33-foot wireless range, HD sound or high-def sound, lightweight design and secure fit. Ear hooks keep earphones firmly and comfortably in place. And the basics you can read right there if you want to pause it. It says that you get 5 hours of playtime with 3 additional extra charges stored in the case. That's over 20 hours total listening time. The specs is 5 hours playtime per charge, 20 hours total, up to 33-foot wireless range, IPX5 waterproof, and high definition sound with deep bass and clear treble. And in the box, this comes with a pair of wireless earphones, charging case, 1 micro USB charging cable, 3 sizes of ear tips, and 1 quick start guide. Now down here, IPX5 means this item is protected from low pressure water jets from any direction, earbuds only. So let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, so straight out of the box here, we'll go ahead and remove the charging case as well as these earbuds. Let's see if they'll come out easily, if I have to force them out here. And there we go. Give me just a moment to get these out of here. There we go. And of course you get your additional ear tips right here as well as your quick start guide. Now I want to go ahead and say this right here. For products like this, always keep your instruction manual. I get a lot of comments about why they won't, both pair to a phone, or why one won't pair and one will pair and this, that, and the other. Most of that can be found here in your instruction manual. Now, I don't mind answering questions if somebody needs help how to pair, but a lot of times it's just a lot faster to look in your instruction manual, because it could take a day or two, depending on if you even see the comment come through to get a response. So just kind of wanted to throw that out there. Always keep your instruction manual handy. All right. So here is your charging case. And on this side here, micro USB charging port. And that's about it. On the front there, you got 3 little dots that light up. You see right there, it has a full charge. All 3 lights are lit up. Now, I did look over the manual for a moment here. And in a second, when these here are blinking white, that means that they are charging. But right now, they are blinking white and blue. Now, they do that on the first pair. So I'll go ahead right now. Got my phone here. And we'll go ahead and go into the Bluetooth. And we'll give it a first pair. So we'll go ahead and pair it, new device. You'll see right there, ONN TWS Sport in-ear. So if you open the flap, it will automatically start pairing. So right now they're paired and they're active. Now you'll see right there, they are blinking. So both of them here are paired. Okay, so taking them out of the case, you'll see that the ear hooks here are attached. They cannot be removed from the earbud itself. The manual here, I'll just give you a few little outlines here. I have been reading up on this here just a little bit. And of course it says, like I said, for the first time you open the charging case cover, earphones will go to parent mode automatically. Connect your device by searching for what you see right there. Drop them back in the case and close the charging case. If you don't, they will stay connected. And you see right there, if they close the case, you will see that they will disconnect right there. Of course, you can press and hold each side for power on and off if you are carrying the earphones without the charging case. So they automatically power on. As soon as we open the case up right here, they're going to power on and they're going to automatically pair. Now, if I was to go ahead here and turn off the Bluetooth, it's back into parent mode looking for another device to connect to. So just be on the lookout for that. Go ahead and power this back on and see how long it takes to reconnect, and boom, active. We're ready to go here. So yeah, I mean, it says 5 hours charge and you get 3 extra charges here with this case. So I'm really interested to see how these are going to sound. I mean, they're sub $40 at Walmart, $39.88, and hopefully they'll sound pretty good. So now, just for a couple other things that I want to mention here in this setup here is that for Android users, now these can be used on iOS and Android, but Android users can further increase volume if you double tap the right earbud. So if you double tap the right earbud, it will increase the volume. If you double tap the left earbud, it will decrease volume. Of course, you can answer a call by just pressing, the earbud. And you can also hang up by doing the exact same thing. So I'll be doing a lot of testing here, seeing how long it takes to charge the case, how long they last on a charge, the sound quality, all that kind of good stuff. And now if you're looking for, the richest, loudest, tones and everything else, these probably won't be for you. But if you want something that's probably going to sound decent, now I've not heard how these sound or anything else. I will make a video separately here, in about a week or two, whenever I get some testing done on these earbuds here to see how they sound, how long the battery lasts, all that kind of stuff, just to see how good they do sound or how bad they sound. So that's all I gotta say right now. I know it's kind of scattered a little bit. I do apologize for that, but if it's helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that bell for notifications for further videos coming. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.